Dear investors, welcome back to my channel. Let's start. India is the third largest energy consuming country in the world, already achieving its target of 40% installed electric capacity from non-fossil fuels. This industry is growing at a rapid pace, and it's time to become a part of it. This is why we bring you the 5 reasons why green energy should be your next investment. Number 1. Get tax exemptions with green investments. The Indian government's union budget allocated 35,000 crore rupees for priority capital investments in energy transition and net zero objectives. Taxation amendments favoring green growth were also implemented. These investments, along with viability gap funding, interstate transmission systems, and the National Green Hydrogen Mission, pave the way for India's transition to a low carbon intensity and green economy. Number 2. Green energy surges 12% while coal declines 8% in the last decade. The country's renewable energy capacity reached 100 gigawatts in 2021, surpassing traditional sources like coal. This milestone signifies a major shift in the energy landscape, with renewable sources surpassing traditional fossil fuel-based sources such as coal. This rapid growth in renewable energy capacity is a testament to India's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint and embracing cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions. Number 3. India has the 4th largest installed capacity for solar and wind power. The falling costs of renewable energy technologies have played a significant role, making them increasingly competitive. The Indian government's favorable policies, including the National Solar Mission and National Wind Mission, have created a supportive environment for the sector. Solar energy, with an anticipated annual growth rate of 14%, is poised to revolutionize the energy sector. The declining costs of solar panels and technological advancements make solar energy increasingly affordable and accessible. Number 4. EV contribution in India is expected to grow from 4% to 30% by 2030. The global surge in electric vehicles, EVs, has garnered significant attention, with the EV market predicted to surpass a value of $800 billion by 2027. As countries commit to phasing out fossil fuel-powered vehicles, the demand for EVs continues to skyrocket. India is not behind in the action. Tata Motors dominates the electric four-wheeler market. Ather Energy reports 53% of their electric scooter sales come from non-metro centers. Number 5. $2 trillion global energy market opens opportunities. The world is increasingly embracing green energy solutions to combat climate change and promote sustainability. This global trend presents significant opportunities for investors. By investing in the green energy companies, you gain exposure to a sector that aligns with global initiatives and stands at the forefront of sustainable development. Whether it's solar power in sunny regions, wind power in windy areas, or EVs in countries prioritizing clean transportation, the green energy companies allow you to participate in the global movement towards a greener future. In this video, I discuss 5 reasons why you should look at green energy as your next investment. With the government's focus on green growth, the past performance of the sector, the doubling down on solar, wind, and EVs, and the global embrace of green energy, the green energy companies offer a compelling investment proposition. Take action now and join the green energy Avengers in shaping a better tomorrow. If you find this video helpful, do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.